Hi guys, today I'm going to make a satisfying button thingy. So first you need these two parts, then this, where is it? Here. Put it in the middle there, then you need this squishy coil thing. Then that's what it looks like. Now you put it on here. Bruh. Yeah, fitting. Oh yeah. Okay, now you put this each side. Then you put this. Then what we're going to do, put it, these walls can be any color you want. So yeah. And I need to put this here. It should make like kind of a box. I don't know why. Put this. I don't know. It's really hard to put Lego on Lego. I'll just try to fix whatever is happening here. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Now you get two of this. As I said, it can be any color, but at least it's the same piece. So yeah. Or you can make other satisfying things. There. For the last bit, the button. So you get a flat white piece, then a cube, connect them, put them on top, and you start pressing. There. I don't need it. It's a soccer ball. Okay, never mind. It's a button to play games. But what game? Your mom's game. Bye. Please like and subscribe.